Hi, I'm Jean Panikiefner, the Director of Sales at Thursby by Identiv. This is part 8 of our 12-part Sub Rosa for Android user guide series. In this video, we finish exploring the settings menu in Sub Rosa, particularly the help menu. If you don't know what Sub Rosa is, or if you're not sure which app to download, I recommend checking out the first video in this series. A link to that is available in the video description below. Let's get started. The Help menu is located in the three-dot menu on the top right of your screen. The Help menu has buttons you may use to contact Thursby support and tutorials on our website that contain videos on how to use the product and product documentation. You will also be directed to this menu when a diagnostic log is needed. At the top, you can toggle diagnostic mode on or off. While this mode is on, it will capture logs of your activity within the app. Unless you choose to send this data to our support department, these logs will not leave your device. If you encounter an issue with Sub Rosa, we encourage you to reach out to our support team. They can be reached at 1-817-478-5070 or support@thursby.com. You can also chat with the support team through the live chat feature on our website. Our support team is able to handle over 90% of customer issues within a few minutes. Occasionally, though, they may need a log of the issue in order to better diagnose the problem. In that case, they will give you step-by-step instructions of how to capture and send the needed information. Our support team is available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. If you're having a problem outside of these hours and need help finding an immediate solution, we have a few tools within the app to help with that. Tapping on tutorials will take you to a page on our website with helpful videos like this one and answers to some of the most common questions. We have also included the user guide this video series is based on within the app. If you have questions about anything you saw in the video today, or if you would like more information on our products, please feel free to reach out to us by phone or email. We'd be happy to answer your questions. In the next video, we will start discussing the enhanced OWA mail client and the various options there. Thank you for your time today. I hope you found this video helpful.